I'm very passionate about giving the ones without a voice, allowing them to discover themselves.
I decided to become a mentor mainly just because I saw the good that I could help do in the community.
I'm passionate about mentoring, just teaching a younger person, guiding them, helping them in any way that I can, and talking to them and being their friend.
Being a mentor means to me a bond or a relationship between a mentor and a mentee that provides guidance, emotional support, something that just can help them grow as a person.
I've been in a peer-to-peer program for 3 years. It just means that I matter a little bit more. Like, if they came out here for me, then that means that I must be like something to actually worry about.
We started this program in 2022. It is one of the interventions of the behavior intervention team. And if a student to mentor would be a way to help them be their best self through that positive relationship, helping them with problem solving, social skills.
To me, being a mentor is being both a friend and a kind of like older sibling is the analogy that we use to your mentee. And it goes beyond just that. It's like helping them through their struggles, helping them find solutions to their problems, helping them improve, while also encouraging them and just helping them have higher self-esteem and work through their problems.
I think they have definitely put an impression on me. You know, being very kind, generous, and just very amazing people.
I remember when it was me, and I really wish that I had somebody to, show me the ropes. I was born in Nigeria, and I kind of grew up there, but we immigrated to America. I started going to school, and it was very difficult for me. The adjustment was hard.
The instant bond that Darren and I have is that we're immigrants, which also means that I have someone that is going through the same stuff as me. I found someone that's basically me.
It's been really exciting to see how many high school students want to get involved in this program. I feel like one of the high school mentors summed it up really well last year when he said as he was helping his mentee navigate his life, he was able to better navigate his own.
So the reason I want to be a mentor is because I want to give the experience that I had to other kids in my position right now.